A train passes a 50-meter long railway platform in 4.5 seconds and a pole in 2 seconds. Find the length of the train and its speed. So we have the length of the railway platform 50 meters. We have time taken to cross the railway platform 4.5 seconds and time taken to cross a pole is 2 seconds. We have to find length of the train and speed of the train. Now we'll consider, let the length of the train be x. So the train, we have two different times here and we have two different distances. Let's say distance 1 and distance 2. Distance 1 is length, the distance which the train travels while crossing the railway platform, which is length of the train plus length of the railway platform. So x plus 50. How much time is it taking here? 4.5 seconds. 9 upon 2. And we have another distance where it crosses a pole. That is the length of the train. And how much time is it taking? 2 seconds. So we have distance 1, distance 2. This is our T1 and this is our T2. What we are going to do here is, we are going to find the difference between T1 and T2. So distance 1, अगर मैं पहले distance से दूसरे distance का time taken subtract करती हूँ, we will come to a certain time. Now D1 minus D2 is equal to T1 minus T2. Okay, D1 is x plus 50 minus x is equal to 9 upon 2 minus 2. So here if we solve this brackets, we get something like this. 50 is equal to 9 upon 2 minus 2 will be, 2 is your LCM, 9 minus 4, which is 5 upon 2. Now that for covering a distance of 50 meters, the train is taking 5 upon 2 seconds. So now let's take our distance as 50 meters and let's take time as 5 upon 2 seconds. Now that we have the distance and time, let's find the speed. Speed is equal to distance upon time. 50 divided by 5 upon 2. 50 into 2 upon 5. 5 ones are 5 tens are 20. Now the speed is 20 meters per second. We will have to convert this speed to kilometers per hour. So 20 into 18 upon 5. 5 ones are 5 fours are 18 fours are 72. The speed of the train is 72 kilometers per hour. Now we are supposed to find the length of the train. Now let's take the speed to, speed is 20. Time taken is speed is 20 meters per second. Time is this time, T2, 2 seconds. The time that it takes to cross a pole. What is the formula to find the distance? Distance is equal to speed into time. So 20 into 2 is 40. Now what is this distance? This distance is nothing but the length of the train, 40 meters. And what is the speed of the train? 72 kilometers per